Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss most frequently asked interview question related to SQL. This is one of them, that is query to find the duplicate record, duplicate emails in a table. So let's see how to do this. So let's come back to the description. So here is the description. Let's suppose we have a person table having two columns, name and email, and these are the five records in the table. Out of this, as you can see, the three records have four records have duplicate email. Okay, so our purpose is to display the records with duplicate uh, email. So here the result set should contain Reena, Ritu, as they also have duplicate email, and Ashok and Rohan should come in the result set. So let's see how to do this. So query for this I have written already. Query is select email, since we want to display the duplicate email. Then from table name, it could be anything, whatever. My table name is person here, so I give a person. Group by, we will group the email fields, email column, and after that having count email greater than 1, it will count those email which have count greater than 1. So here it will count uh, it will Reena, Ritu should come in the output, and Ashok and Rohan should come in the result set. So as let's see how to execute this in SQL Workbench. I am opening SQL Workbench. So this is my person table. Let's see what how many records are there. So here, just a minute. Let me expand this. So these are the five records in the person table, and in this table I want to display only those records which have duplicate email. We want, our purpose is to find the duplicate records with duplicate email. So here I am using the subquery and main query. So let me explain you the subquery. So this is the subquery: select email from person, group by email, having count email greater than count of email greater than 1. So let's execute first this query, inner query, and see what's the output. So I am executing it separately in order to explain it. So what output should it display? It will display only Reena and Mohan. Okay, so let's me run this. So see, these two are the duplicate emails present in the person table, but our purpose is to display employee name as well. Okay, employee name and email. We want to find out for which employee we have entered the duplicate email. So I, in the above query, in this query, I kept this as a inner query, and in outer I have written select employee name, email from person, where email in where email rise exist in these two emails, Mohan at the rate Yahoo and Reena at the rate gmail.com. If email of the employee name is equal to these, out of these two, then it will display the output. So let's execute this query and see, this time it's showing the employee name as well. So for these four records we have entered the duplicate email. So this is our purpose. Hope you like it, and this practice, you practice it by your own, and let me know if you have any doubt. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be coming back with another interview question related to SQL. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope you like this.